Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Trubin. Here in this video I will show you how to convert video to GIF on iPhone. Recently lot of iPhone and iPad users are reported to how to convert video to GIF without applications on iPhone and iPad. Before the starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Now this question is turn a video to GIF. First of all, find out the shortcuts applications from the iPhone home screens and open it. Now tap on the gallery at the right hand side bottom. Here in search bar search video to GIF. Now tap on the plus icon for the add these shortcuts for use. Now tap on the again my shortcuts at the left hand side bottom. After tap on that, now first one is video to GIF shortcuts available. Now please make sure tap on the three dots and scroll down and wait to save this GIF. Now please make sure select to photos album. Now again come back in the my shortcuts. Now tap on the video to GIF shortcuts. When tap on that, after you can see also your gallery is available for video to convert GIF. Select the videos. After top corner too, you can trim your videos as a GIF. Now trim the videos and tap on the play icon at the bottom. Now here your video convert to GIF on the iPhone. Now this question is how to save this GIF on my iPhone. Now simple tap on the right hand side corner share icon. Now scroll down and tap on the save. After again come back in the iPhone home screens and open the Photos app. In the Photos app recently sections you can see also video to GIF available on this app. This amazing way to you can easily convert video to GIF on iPhone without applications. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.